What's up, people? Welcome back to Internash. A lot of us, since last couple of weeks, are either working from home or studying from home. And a lot of us are not used to working from home, and that's why it's really hard to be disciplined while we are at home. Honestly, the moment I got to know that I have to work from home, I was super excited because what I thought was that nobody will ever know whether I'm working from my bed or whether I'm sitting on a table or I'm sitting in the backyard and working. Nobody would have known as far as I finish all the tasks that are given to me. But if you do not do certain things, your productivity is massively affected. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you my morning routine and I'm going to tell you 3 mistakes that I did that you should avoid if you want to be productive while you work or study from home. So, check it out. Yup, that's me. 5 minutes before my day starts on the first day of working from home. The moment my alarm went off, I'm thinking if I can sleep for 2 more minutes. And that's exactly what I do. I go to sleep just for 2 more minutes. I get up a minute or 2 before 9, make myself comfortable, and fire up my laptop. First thing that I do is check if I have any urgent tasks or emails that I have to respond to. If not, I check what all things I have to finish today. Once I get to know that there is nothing urgent or no urgent task that I have to do, every cell in my body starts feeling sleepy. And oh well, I set up another alarm of 10 a.m. and go to sleep. So that was my first mistake, working from my bed. The next day, I got up 5 minutes before my work starts. But today I have decided that I'm not going to work from my bed. So I stretch a little, take my laptop and start to work. I realized how dirty my desk was and it was killing the mood. So I moved things a little bit here and there and started working. Another not so productive day. But now I had had it all. I had to change things or else they would definitely fire me. So finally, here is my current morning routine. I kept my phone further away from me so that I have to wake up in order to stop the alarm. The first thing that I check on my phone is if you guys have hit the subscribe button and turned on that notification bell. And finally stretch properly because it helps me freshen up. Another mistake I did was not having a clean desk. You cannot have a productive day unless you want to sit there for hours. And the last thing is to shower and freshen up. You don't have to get into your office clothes, but something that does not make you feel lazy. And finally, let's talk about the third thing, and that is making a to-do list. But we all are smart people and we know that we have to make a to-do list. But the thing to remember is how you make a to-do list. For example, if I talk about my to-do list, I have to update my website. I have to edit the video that I'm shooting right now. I have to complete the email marketing course. But all of these tasks are massive. And unless I break it down, I'll not get the pleasure of ticking the each task that I've done. And that's why what I have to do is that each task that I have to break it down and write all the things that I have to do to finish that task. Another important principle to remember while you make your to-do list is Eisenhower's box. Now, in this box, what this principle say is that you can divide all your tasks into 4 categories. The first being the important and urgent tasks. The next being the important task but not so urgent. The third being that is urgent but not so important. And last being not important, not urgent. So when you divide your task into all those 4 categories, you'll know what task should have your priority. And once you do that 100%, you'll be extremely productive. I have started doing this very recently and I have started seeing tremendous productivity in my work. Hope you love this video, guys. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you haven't shared this video with all your friends who can relate to it, share this video right now. And if you haven't hit the like button, hit the like button. That really helps us promote these videos to more and more people. See you in the next video.